Hello, welcome to my channel. Today, let's talk about Leetcode problem 69, square root of x. So we are given a non-negative integer x, return the square root of x, rounded down to the nearest integer. So this is very important. It's rounded down, it's not rounded up. The returned integer should be non-negative as well. So the returned integer should also be positive or 0. So we cannot use built-in functions. So in Python, we can use x to the power of 0.5. We can still get the result, but we cannot use the functions, built-in functions. Yeah, so here is the example. X equal to 4, the result is 2. X equals to 8, the result is 2, because 2.828 rounded down is still 2. So for this kind of a problem, normally we're gonna find a value between 0 to this x. So this is why we're gonna use a binary search to solve it, because x is a very large number. So the log 2 to x is 31, so it is nearly O(n) time complexity. So this is why we can use binary search to solve it in a quick time. Now let me go to the whiteboard to explain why we can use binary search to solve the problem. After that, I will go to the code editor to finish up the coding. Let's see an example. If we have x equals to 4, so we're gonna use x 0 to x 0 to 4 for the binary search. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna find the midpoint. Yeah, so the midpoint is 2. So we're gonna compare 2 times 2. So 2 times 2 equals 4. If 2 times 2 equals to 4, it means we find the target. We're gonna return the target. Yeah. Now let me give you another example. If we have 0 to 3, so x equals to 3. So first of all, we're going to find the midpoint. So the midpoint will be 1. So 1 times 1, the square of 1 equals to 1. 1 is less than 3. So it means the L pointer, so this is the L pointer, and here is the R pointer. So it means the L pointer should be equal to the midpoint plus 1. So L should equal m plus 1. So this is m, and here is m. So the L pointer should m plus 1. So the L pointer goes to here, this place. Yeah. Now the R pointer still pointed to 3, this place. Yeah, we're gonna still use the binary search. So what is the 2 plus 3 divided by 2? So it is 2. Yeah, so the midpoint goes to 2. What is the square of 2? 2 times 2 is 4. 4 is more than 3. Yeah, 4 is more than 3. X is our target. 4 is more than this target, 3. It means the R pointer should go to m minus 1. So the R pointer, this is m, and R pointer goes to here. Yeah. If R pointer goes to here, this is the L pointer. It means R less than the L pointer, we goes out of the loop. So what we're gonna return? We will always return the R pointer. So the R pointer pointed to 1. So we're gonna return 1 because it is rounded down. It's not rounded up. Otherwise, if it is not rounded up, we're gonna return the L pointer because the L pointer is always more than and equal to R pointer. Yeah. So this is why we're gonna return the R pointer. Now let me go to the code editor to finish up the coding. Actually, the code should be much easier. We're gonna define two variables, L pointer and R pointer. So the L pointer will be 0 and R pointer will be x. Because our value x is more than and equal to 0. This is why we have a 0 and we also have a x. Yeah. So we're gonna find a value between 0 to x. So we're gonna use a binary search while L less than and equal to R. We got the midpoint. So the midpoint should be equal to L plus R minus L divided by 2. So if m times m more than the x value, yeah, it means the midpoint is much bigger. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna shift the R pointer goes to m minus 1. So what about m times m less than x. Similarly, we're gonna shift the L pointer. So the L pointer should be m plus 1. What if we find the value? So else it means we find the value m times m equal to x. So we're gonna return the m directly. If we didn't find the value, what are we gonna return? As I explained earlier, we're gonna return the r pointer because it is always rounded down, it's not rounded up. So we're gonna return the r pointer. Yeah. Now let me submit it to check if it really works. Yeah, as you can see, it works and it's pretty fast. If you think this is helpful, please like and subscribe. I will upload more Leetcode problems like this. See you next time.